What if Holy Roman Emperor Frederick Barbarossa had never drowned in that river during the Third Crusade? In 1190, the most powerful ruler in Europe died crossing the Salif River, leaving his massive German army leaderless. But imagine he survived and reached the Holy Land with 100,000 battle-hardened soldiers. Combined with Richard the Lionheart and Philip Augustus, this united Christian force would have been unstoppable. Jerusalem would have fallen to the Crusaders, crushing Saladin's momentum completely. The Fourth Crusade would never have turned toward Constantinople, keeping the Byzantine Empire intact. Without a weakened Byzantium, the Ottoman Empire might never have risen to power. Europe's eastern expansion would have accelerated centuries earlier. The balance between Christian and Muslim powers would have shifted permanently. Frederick's survival could have prevented the fall of Constantinople in 1453. The entire course of medieval history hinged on one man's ability to swim. One river crossing changed the fate of two continents.